Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Soft Nail Tips is probably one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly nail enhancement options available today, offering a fantastic alternative to traditional acrylics or gel extensions for those seeking a quicker, less damaging, and more natural-looking manicure right at home. These innovative tips are designed to be applied with a special soft gel glue, creating a seamless bond that feels lightweight and flexible, mimicking the natural nail's movement for ultimate comfort and durability without the harshness often associated with salon services. Whether you're a seasoned nail enthusiast or just starting your DIY nail journey, soft nail tips provide an accessible and efficient way to achieve stunning, salon-quality results in a fraction of the time, making them an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their nail game with ease and confidence. Number 5. Krofaue 500 PCS Soft Gel False Nail Tips. Achieve salon-quality nails in minutes. These soft gel tips offer a seamless, natural look for any occasion. With 10 versatile sizes, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every finger. Enjoy a comfortable and secure application. These half-cover tips provide a flawless base for your French style or custom nail art. Unleash your creativity with ease. Bring the salon experience to your home with these high-quality acrylic tips. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and nail art lovers. Everything you need is neatly stored in the included box. Keep your tips organized and ready for your next manicure. Whether for a special event or everyday wear, these false nail tips are your secret to beautiful, polished hands. What we like? These offer a natural-looking extension with a half-cover design. They are perfect for those who want to add length without a full-cover feel. If you prefer a subtle enhancement and a quick, easy application, these are a great choice. What people say? The half-cover French style is lightweight and comfortable, and having 10 different sizes makes it easy to find the perfect fit. They file and shape smoothly without cracking, and they hold gel or polish really well. Assorted sizes that are sure to fit anyone. Beautifully curved to resemble natural nails. Number 4. Saviland French Tip Nail Art Stamper Kit. Achieve perfect French manicures with ease. This kit is designed for flawless application every time. See exactly where you're placing your design with the clear silicone stamper. It ensures precision for a professional look. Whether your nails are long or short, this tool adapts to your style. Get salon-quality results at home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for beautiful nail art. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. Transform your nails in minutes, right from your home or salon. Enjoy the convenience of professional nail art made simple. What we like? Achieve perfect French tips effortlessly with this stamping kit. The clear silicone head allows for precise placement every time. If you're aiming for salon-quality French manicures at home and struggle with freehanding the smile line, this tool is a game changer. What people say? The look is clean and classic, and it makes your nails look beautiful and well done without going to a salon. The quality is really good and it feels durable, lasting longer than I expected. The clear silicone stampers make it incredibly easy to see exactly where you're placing the design, which helps create clean, professional-looking French tips every time. Number 3. Buqikma Short Nail Tips for Acrylic Nails. Achieve stunning acrylic nails with ease. These short tips provide a perfect base for your creative designs. Get a flawless, crystal clear finish every time. These artificial tips are designed for a natural look and feel. Keep your nail tips organized and accessible. The included box makes storage simple and efficient. Elevate your manicure experience with these high-quality false tips. They are ideal for both professional and home use. You'll receive a generous pack of 500 short nail tips. This ensures you have plenty for multiple applications and designs. Presented in a stylish pink box, these tips are as beautiful as they are functional. It's the perfect addition to your nail art collection. What we like? These short, clear tips are fantastic for a more understated nail look. They provide a great base for various nail art designs. If you prefer shorter nails or are new to DIY nail extensions, these offer a manageable and versatile option. What people say? They stick easily. I didn't have no problems. I will say they are a bit longer than you would think for short nails, but to me that's a win. I can use them for medium sets as well. I used to just buy long nail tips, but to me it was such a waste having to cut almost the whole tip completely off, so these are so handy for me. I used these tips to do dip powder nails and they were so easy to use. I like how thin the part of the tip that covers your nail is. There's barely any bump to file. These tips are thin enough where minimal filing is needed to lay flesh with your real nails, yet not too thin as they don't chip break over time. They're flexible, which I would compare to closely being the flexibility of your natural nails, which works for me best since they do not pop off from me using my hands during everyday activities as well as when doing harder work and using my hands heavier, like yard work. Number 2. Modelones 510 PCS Medium Soft Gel Nail Tips. Achieve the perfect almond shape with these medium soft gel nail tips. They are pre-etched for easy application and a seamless finish. These tips offer a half matte, full cover design for a natural yet polished look. They provide excellent coverage for beautiful nail extensions. This clear acrylic gel kit is ideal for creating stunning nail extensions. It's designed for both salon professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With 15 different sizes included, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every nail. Enjoy a comfortable and secure application every time. Bring the salon experience to your home with these high-quality false press-on nails. They are perfect for creating professional-looking manicures with ease. These soft gel tips are durable and incredibly easy to use, making your manicure process faster and more enjoyable. Get salon-worthy results without the hassle. What we like? Get a chic almond shape with these pre-etched, matte soft gel tips. The matte finish provides a sophisticated look and excellent adhesion for gel polish. If you love the trendy almond shape and want a base that's ready for polish without extensive prep, these are for you. What people say. The tips are sturdy yet lightweight, adhere well with gel or acrylic, with proper prep, and the clear finish makes them perfect for builder gel, encapsulated glitter, or detailed nail art. They're easy to apply and the almond shape looks elegant and natural. The material is sturdy but still flexible, making them comfortable to wear. I love that they're plain, because it means I can customize them with whatever polish, glitter, or nail art I'm feeling. They're like a blank canvas for your nails. The application is super straightforward. A little nail glue and you're good to go. These babies have stayed on strong for almost a week now. They're tough enough to handle daily wear and tear, which is a huge plus. Number 1. Ranrose Long Straight Soft Gel Nail Tips. Achieve a flawless full cover look with our soft gel nail tips. They provide a perfect base for any acrylic or press-on nail design. Find your perfect fit with 12 available sizes, ensuring a comfortable and precise application every time. Get a salon-quality finish at home. These tips come pre-shaped in a classic XXL straight style, saving you time and effort. They are designed for a natural, seamless extension. Enjoy the subtle elegance of a half-matte finish. This unique texture provides a sophisticated look that complements any nail art. Made for durability, these tips are ideal for both acrylic and press-on nail extensions. They offer a reliable and beautiful foundation for your creativity. Designed for ease of use, these false nail tips make creating stunning nail extensions simpler than ever. Get professional results with minimal fuss. What we like? For dramatic, long, and straight nail extensions, these are your go-to. The full cover design ensures a seamless application for maximum length. If you're looking to make a bold statement with ultra-long nails and desire a professional, sleek finish, these XXL tips are perfect. What people say. The set comes with plenty of sizes, so it's easy to find ones that fit well without too much filing. The nails are long and straight, which makes them great for shaping into coffin, square, or other styles. The plastic is sturdy enough to last but still has some flexibility, so they don't crack too easily. Very long nail tips, which I've really liked. They're very durable as well, and it's very easy to size the nail. Applying them is also easy, and also can I bring them to the right size as well? I will definitely rebuy this. These nails are super strong and really easy to apply. Obviously they don't fit your nail bed straight out of the box, but they're easy to sand the sides to get a perfect fit. They're also super strong and easy enough to cut the length you want. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.